Make Dora's shell using all the techniques you already know. When you get to round 13 of the top part of the shell, you'll need to make a ruffle. To do that, add chain stitches between the single crochets. Before making your first single crochet, chain 3. Then insert your hook into the first stitch of the previous round and make 1 single crochet. Now chain 3 again, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. You have completed this sequence twice. Repeat the sequence of 3 chains followed by 1 single crochet 8 more times. Then finish the round with 8 single crochets. Leave a 12-inch yarn tail for sewing, either on this part or on the bottom part. Once you reach the end of the round, the top part of Dora's shell is complete. Now make the bottom part of the shell. See you at the next step.